Hi guys. So what we are doing here, importing the pandas library. What we will do, for sure, after importing pandas library, I'm going to show you how to select columns, to show the columns, and how to show columns as a data frame, as a rectangular data or spreadsheet data, or selecting a column as a series data type or vector, as it's called in pandas by himself. So we are importing here CSV file. What I am doing here, I am writing the name of the file, read CSV function. With the help of read CSV function, as you remember, we also import Excel file, also read Excel, read / Excel function. So I have assigned df.columns. Columns is an attribute, so to call variable. Okay, what you see here, actually what you are seeing here is just the name of, let's say, the list of all columns inside data frame. And it helps us by giving us the opportunity to see our columns without every time by showing that full data frame. So it's some magic trick. If it will be useful, you can use columns attribute. Now what I am assigning to subset, with log function I am looking for, as you can see, there are a double column. It gives us all the rows, and after comma I have selected inside the list 2 columns. Just be careful, because we can extend. Okay, now we are seeing our result. So we can extend this list, I mean by looking at column names, region, beside the region and country. I have added also total revenue column, and before comma you see double brackets, double column, sorry. That gives us, if you look carefully to index or to row numbers, it starts not with 0 and okay. Now let's add also ship date, column name. Let's add it to our data frame. So be careful, I am showing it to you with a log function. As you have seen, as you see, I am adding the width of the column width. So pandas had set option function with which gives me an option to adjust the column width. Okay, if we run again, you can see it. So all columns are shown. By default, pandas are, if the widths of the columns are long enough, it's only showing the necessary ones. Okay, let's now select a series column. So with the series data type, we can select, we are selecting only one column, so not multiple columns. We use only a bracket, so be careful, we cannot use here comma. So after ship date you cannot add some other column. Okay. You will see that it's only, only one column. We have selected only one column, and it shows the ship date column, all its rows. So it's showing whole rows from 0, starting from the first to the last one. We have 50,000 rows here, data. Be careful here. For checking, it's a type is a Python native function. So I am now showing you the series. As you can see, the data, when we get the data of a column, as you can see, it is series. So with double brackets we will get the same result, but it's a data frame. As it's a data frame, now I will show you that we can have, if it's a data frame, we can have multiple columns. So when it's series data type, series data type, or vector data type, we are able to show only a column, one column. But with double brackets, it's a data frame data type. Data type is data frame. And we can show as much multiple columns as we want. How many columns there is in the data, we can show all of them by writing the